It's very fine to be a pool of idea. It's very okay to have over one idea. It's very fine to be a master of many. But then ask yourself the question, are you really translating these ideas to wealth? Are you making wealth out of this? Or are you playing a one-man game? Now, I want you to realize and understand that life is not all about struggle. You must learn how to build rope with people. You must not drag your both feet into the mud to get what you desire or what you want. Trust me, if you ever do that, you get stuck and you will never find a way to get yourself out of the ditch. It's very fine to build rope with humans and individuals while you are going down the ditch to find what you desire so much so you can climb up to success. So today I want you to realize that whatever you want to do, whatever path you want to take, always first of all sit down to evaluate yourself, evaluate your ability and your capacity in doing things, and also find people who are truthful to you, people who can look you into your eyeball and tell you the real truth of what you are doing, not people who sugarcoat or people who are feeling sympathy around you. Do not fall for such individuals. Always make sure that you are doing the right thing at the right time. Make sure you are asking the right question. Make sure you have people around you who you ask questions so that you can get better to be a better individual. If you are building wealth, if you are building success, you must learn how to be you. You must learn how to focus on the actual goal and go for it. Yes, you might not be so friendly with everybody, but always try to find out the truth, even when people criticize your actions and what you are doing. The wealth journey is never a lone man issue. You must learn how to build bridges. You must learn how to build ropes, like I said. When you want to go down into the well, you don't jump into the well without any proper plan of coming out. If not, you will get stuck and perhaps you might not survive it. So today, I want you to know that when you have plenty of ideas, when you see yourself hovering around many ideas from 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5, do not see yourself as someone who cannot amount to anything, but know that that is the ability of you making money. Like my last video, I talked about chains of success. Success is a tribe with many diversification. That is how wealth comes. That is how you create wealth. That is how your wealth keep increasing. So today, learn how to make money with your ideas, but you must not start with everything. Possibly go for one. Ask your friends, ask your family members, ask your colleagues, ask people who are interested in what you do to give you honest answers about who you are, the kind of ideas you generate, the kind of abilities you carry, and what you bring to the table. What kind of value you bring to the individuals very close to you, very close to where you work, or even at your worship center, anywhere. Find the right people to ask the right questions so that it will help you as a guideline to evaluate what you are doing at the moment and be better with what you are doing. So today, I want you to go all out to focus on what you want to do and take it step by step, bit by bit. It's not a 1 year journey. It's not even a 5 years journey. Wealth creation is eternity. Wealth creation is all about passing it to the next generation. Don't make wealth just to ascertain yourself and to enjoy your life, and your children and grandchildren will be poor forever. Rather, you build to transfer to your next generation, and that is how it cycles. One person does not build wealth and it becomes. Check out the history of billionaires. There is always something they are holding to. There's always a rope they are holding to that they are using to climb. And as they are going, they are tightening the rope to be more stronger for the next generation coming, for those who are going to follow them. So today, as an idea person, do not feel sick about you having plenty ideas, but start asking the right questions on how to implement 1 and 2 of these ideas, and it translates to wealth to you, and that is when you know that you are building your pathway to success. Thank you for listening to this video, and I look to see you at the top. Please Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also share the video so that others will listen and also make a perfect U-turn, make a perfect turn to what they are already doing and become a better individual for a better world for us. Thank you.